Hello and welcome to another video tutorial from Vaultuz. This one is about interactions. So interactions is a really neat feature within Vaultuz that lets you record any type of conversation that you have with a customer, a client or a lead. So when you're out and about, you might be at an event and have a chat with somebody. You want to quickly record that interaction, bring Vaultuz up on your phone, click on interactions and record it. Or perhaps you're at home doing open studios and somebody says, I really like this piece, I'm looking for something very similar to it in the future and I would like a commission. Those types of things get recorded really easily with interactions. So you can open up interactions from the quick menu either on the dashboard or from the side navigation bar. The interactions pop-up shows you all the interactions that you've had with people, so you can quickly take a look and see what you were talking about, or you can create new ones, so add new here. You can associate an interaction with a person. This will be done either by selecting a person that already exists and is known to you, or you can add a new person here. So let's just select Isabella. You select the date that you had your interaction, so it'll always default to today. If you have an interaction set for the future, such as let's say we're going to have something to do with Isabella in a week or so, you can also set a reminder. You can associate it with an item as well. So if somebody says they really like this piece, great, give them a bit of time and then get in touch with them again and say, how about banana? You really liked it, let's talk. And then there's the details. So here you want to record any notes, any information about the discussion or conversation. Now on your items page, you will see under communication you have interactions. This interaction table will give you both your interactions that you record and any feedback that you've received from a user about a share. So we've got an interaction here that we have with Arthur. We can select it, take a look, and we know that it's been associated with marigolds, and that's why it's appeared here. All interactions get recorded as items in your calendar, which you're able to search for as well. You can toggle this on and off if you don't want to see them within this menu here, but it's really easy to see when you had a conversation. When somebody contacts you, either through the contact form on your profile page or the contact form on a share, it will immediately create an interaction for you. That will also create a person, so the details of the person that they filled in on the contact form will be used to create a person from that. You'll also get a calendar item. You'll also get an email to say that somebody's been in touch with you from either one of those forms. Okay, that's everything from interactions. Thanks very much for your time. See you in the next tutorial.